Hello and welcome to my channel. I am back. I've been making some videos. Thank you so much for being patient with me. It's just sometimes life happens and you have to take a break and take care of some other things. But I hope I'm back for the long haul. So thank you so much for being patient with me. So what I want to start with is a new haul I got from a new company called Shein Fulfillment. I've never used them before because if you watch my other videos, you know that I'm a Temu person. I buy a lot of stuff from Temu. So I thought that I would try this out and see if I liked it. So I wanted to share it with you. I was disappointed, but it's my own fault because I didn't really look at the details when I ordered. I did order a lot, as you can see, and I'm going to share it with you. So these are supposed to be like lace stickers. They're shiny. I was hoping they would have been more like cotton or material-like. I know not material because everything I bought was really inexpensive, but I don't know. I'll figure out what to do with these. I'm going to put those aside. I do like these. These are book spines, so they're stickers. So they have different sayings on it, like this one says classic myth and legend, and that would be really fun. So I thought, gosh, I can definitely do something and create something with these. These are small as well. These are like coffee and tea and cocoa stickers. So they have different shapes, so that would be really fun to use. You can see this one here has a different shape. So not sure yet what I'm going to do with any of this, but I do like these. It's motivated me to be creative in a different way. Here's a little envelope. I'm definitely going to use this as a template to make other envelopes. I think that's really cute and it folds down. And inside are these cute little stickers. They have different shapes as well. I must have been thinking about flowers because a lot of this order includes flowers. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Either make a journal and it's just going to have a flower theme. Okay, put this over here. Here is another group of flowers. Now I do like these. They have like a gold trim on them, and there's different type of flowers. Let me see if I can show you this one. So I really like these. So I'm looking forward to using these as well. So let me put them back in their little packet. I was really disappointed in these. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, and again, that's my fault because I didn't really look at the size. But I will do something with them because they are cute. I just don't like how small they are. So let me put this aside. I'm really liking this group of paper. So some of them are textured. You might be able to see. The rest of them aren't textured, but they look textured. So it's just a different type of paper that would be fun to use in journals. So I'm going to definitely look forward to using these. Oh, here's one more on the underneath. Put that over here. This is cute. This is a little like painting book, and I doodle a lot. When I'm watching TV, I'll just start doodling. So this is going to be fun. So this is something either I'm going to make for myself or maybe include in some of my journals. I do like these. These are some Post-it notes, and they're clear. And what I like about these, because they're clear, you can use fluorescent pens or paint colors and draw something really fun and put in your journals. This was probably the most expensive piece I bought. This was over $7, and this is watercolor paint. But you can see it has that fluorescent shine to it. So I do like to watercolor, so I look forward to using this. Here's some more watercolor paper, and I thought, well, this would be nice because I can use them as tabs. But since I'm talking about watercolor paper, I'm going to share something else with you. There is a store called Five Below. I don't really know the store, so I went inside. So everything, or the majority of everything in there, is below $5. So look at how nice this book is. This is also watercolor paper, and when you open it up, on this side I was just testing pens that I bought. So it folds up trifold, or actually, yeah, trifold, and just the front. And I'm going to use this for my own flower garden. So I've been trying for the last 3 years to have a perennial flower garden, and I have rocks. So this is going to be my learning journal, and I hope that I can learn more about perennials, and then I can have a good journal to follow back on. But anyway, I'm going to put this aside, and let's go back to this order. These are cute. These are 6x6, different style, different prints of paper, and I really like this design. I like the different colors that they have, and you can see how cute that is. So I'm looking forward to using these as well. I found these. A friend of mine says she's seen them for a long time. So happy that I found them. So what these are clips. I ordered 3 sets of them because I'm really liking these. So you basically use it as a clip, and then you could put your pen right there and just keep it all together. So if you're journaling, you have a really nice clip right there to keep everything together. This was probably my best deal. I have 2 sets of these. These are watercolor pads, and they are 24 sheets, and I think this is like an 8x11. These were only $1.90, so I would say that this was the best deal because you can't find watercolor pads that are this inexpensive. So I cleared everything off to share with you the last 2 packets that I purchased from Shein. I must have been thinking of flowers when I ordered, or it was probably the middle of the night, but I did buy a lot of flower ephemera. But I wanted to show you these, how they look against this white background. So these are stickers here, and you can see they're just beautiful flowers. I can hardly wait to use them. And I did buy 2 packets of these, and they come in packets of 40. And then I have this little box, and these are stickers, and you can see another group of just beautiful flowers. So I just wanted to separate these so you can see how pretty these look and how fun it's going to be in a journal. So anyway, I am excited about working with these. I do have some journals that I made for a friend for his granddaughter's graduation. I made 2, and that way he can choose which one he wants. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Thank you.